if you want to invest in cryptocurrency in stock market, then you should download that app. This is a very good app where you find all the information there. So go to Play Store, and after that Play Store search daily stock news and analysis, daily stocks news and analysis, right there. And in third position you got that application named daily stocks news and analysis. Then click on it and install this, and you can rate there also. After that open that app, and you got that information here. You can got information, tap on one and you get all information about the stock. You can buy and stock too. So thank you for watching this video, and please share this video and use that app. It's a very good app, and please rate.